Hi everyone, this is Rover 8. I'm back with the Rover 8. So this is also just like the previous one, this is also a electricity generator. So you can see it has a mobile, you see solar panel, and also this part, the middle part is the generator. So it's like a mobile electricity generator version 2. So yeah, this is actually the concept of this vehicle is to harness the electricity needed power or the power of unknown planet sun. So it's just need to harness that one and use it according to the need of the sci-fi scientific research. So as like always, the three vehicles, one is dark metal, one is camouflage, and one is the Mars. So as users can use it according to their needs actually. So this is also coming with 11 texture set, so it's fully game ready, and it's ideal for RTS kind of RTS game set. So I will continue it in fast in Unity HDRP, and then the Unreal 5.3. So hope you are enjoying it. So okay. Hi all, I'm welcome you all in the Rover 8 project. So this is the Rover 8. You are seeing it from the Unity HDRP. This is actually a mobile solar panel. So it's harnessing the power from the sun. So it's a very effective vehicle for providing mobile electricity to some facilities, some buildings or a power plant. So it's like it's the back of the truck is fully solar panel, and also the middle part is a mobile generator. So it can produce electricity from the open sky and provide that electricity to the relevant structure or relevant situation. So it's like a mobile electricity generator or a power plant generator. So it's a kind of a conceptual vehicle for sci-fi base building design, and it's a part of that rover project. So it's all very effective for RTS setup. So as like the previous projects, this is also coming with, of course, the prefabs, and also, the texture set. The texture set are all 4K, and also it's coming with the relevant material, of course. So yeah. So as I can view and a maximize view, you can see here. So this is a solar panel, this one. So this one actually you can upgrade it like according to, it's a kind of you can use it like you can use it as a mobile stationary solar panel system also. So the components are here. You can use it as a stationary solar system. So my plan is to build some kind of base out of it. So, and then in a full RTS setup, so you can see what I'm talking about. You will see, of course. So yeah, so I will continue it in Unreal 5.3. So hope you are enjoying, and if you need this asset, don't hesitate to contact with me. Just write me in a comment section. I am in a YouTube, I am in a Facebook, and I have asset store. So yes, so if you need this asset, just contact with me, and keep enjoying, and bye for now. Okay. Hi everyone. I'm back with the rover number 8 for the Unreal Engine 5.3. So you're seeing here the Rover 8 in the Unreal Engine. So it's totally game ready. You can see in the content where it has a separate map, also has texture. All the textures are 4K. You can see the resolution 4K, by the way, and yeah, you can see the dimensions there. So all the textures are 4K, and you can see also the materials there. So materials are fully game ready, and you can see here is the APX. So yeah, so this one is a mobile solar panel, solar system. So it will harness like the Unity version. Again, I'm saying it's to harness the sun power. So it's very appropriate for in a far away and a space, harnessing the sun power and producing the electricity. So you can, if I can maximize the view, if I can maximize the view, you will have a better view of this. So you see. So this one is the middle one is the solar panel, middle one, and the two side part is the solar panel actually. But the middle one is the generator. So as like my all of the projects, you can have a three variation. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and this is coming with the package. I mean the rover collection package. So if you want to have this one, you can contract with me to collect this one individually. You can collect each of the assets, or if you want to collect the full rover collection, then it can also be possible. So I will be very happy to know that you are using my assets actually. So yeah. So okay, thank you. I will come with the rover 9 and finally the 10. So thank you everyone.